Today I'll be showing you how to activate your Windows 10 without using any software. So it's really simple. What you need to do is you need to download this Windows 10 text file. I'll provide the link in the description below from where you can download it. Okay. Once after downloading it, it's just a text file which has some codes in it which will help to activate the Windows 10. Now before activating it, I'll just show you that my Windows is not activated. So as you can see, my Windows is not yet activated. So we will activate it. And some things which you need to keep in mind is that you need to be connected to the internet. And after making sure that you are connected to the internet, you have to rename this text file. So you have to rename this text file into the extension is .txt, so you have to rename it to .cmd. As you can see that extension is not showing up. Now we'll go to control panel and appearance, and then file explorer options, view, and here you can see this hide extensions for known file types. Uncheck this, click on apply, and then OK. And now then again come to this text file and right click rename, and now you can see that that .txt file is showing up. This is the extension of text file. So what we'll do is we'll rename it to .cmd. So it will change it to an executable file. Now just right click on it and then click run as administrator, and then click on S, and it will activate your Windows. So it will take a bit time. As you can see, it's showing that product is activated successfully. Now click on no, and it will just exit the command prompt. And just to check that our product is been activated, just right click on computer and properties, and now as you can see, it's Windows is activated. So it's a really simple trick and you don't need any software to do so. I hope that you guys like this video. Please do subscribe and post your comments on the comment section below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.